Allocentric tourists are adventurers seeking new experiences and preferring unconventional destinations. This is Panglao Island, famous for stunning white beaches, ideal for swimming and sunbathing. This place is from oldest city in the Philippines, Cebu City. This place is so beautiful and very relaxing. This place is Lake Apu, located at Barangay Ginoyoran in the municipality of Valencia, Bukidnon. It is widely regarded as the cleanest inland water in northern Mindanao. I'll show different places from Cebu City and Bohol. Enjoy watching! Thanks for watching, guys. Peace yo.